Okay, part C, it says the equilibrium point found in part B gives the average values of M and S over time. This is M and this is S in terms of delta, gamma, alpha, beta. Use the model to predict how the following events would affect the average value of M. So just M. Well, just the average value of M, and justify your answer. So again, 2 marks, guys. What's going to happen and why? So part 1, toxic sewage is added to the Mediterranean Sea. Alicia claims this reduces the shark population growth rate, and hence the value of gamma is halved. No other parameter changes. Now again, guys, remember, they are not testing your knowledge of what toxic sewage does to the Mediterranean Sea or anything like that. They just care about the math. So if gamma is halved, what happens? So M becomes delta over half of this, half gamma. Now what happens when gamma is halved? This is equal to 2, because if you divide by a half, it's the same as multiplying by 2. So it's actually equal to 2 delta over gamma. So what happens is the M doubles. So it says how would it affect the average value of M? Average value doubles. Now this is the justification by actually subbing in a half gamma into this equation. Okay, that is part 1. Part 2, it says global warming increases the temperature of the Mediterranean Sea. Alicia claims that this promotes the macro population growth rate, and hence the value of alpha is doubled. No other parameter changes, right? So M is equal to delta over gamma. So what happens is, because alpha is doubled, well, M is not dependent on alpha. So, and you have to write that, guys, as M is not dependent on alpha, average value stays the same. Okay, that's it. So the first one, the average value doubles, and the second one, the average value stays the same. This one, it doubles because when you divide by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. And this one stays the same because as alpha changes, well, nothing happens to M because M is just delta over gamma. Okay, that's part C.